Hello, I'm Charles Fleischer, the Dragon Voice Recognition Pro, and I'm going to give you a tip today on how to quickly get used to using voice recognition. So, like so many other things, practice, practice, practice is what will get you proficient and efficient quickly. So, one of the tips that I like to use is to actually speak into the microphone songs that I know by heart. So things that I've been listening to since I was little. So I'm going to start by opening the microphone and then I'm going to speak some of the lyrics to one of my favorite Leonard Skinner songs just to give you an example of what something you might be able to do to quickly practice and get used to speaking into a microphone and translating your speech into text. And I'm going to begin without using punctuation because although it's very important to get used to using punctuation in Dragon Naturally Speaking, I want you first to get used to just speaking into the microphone and watching how quickly you could actually do dictation and have it turn into text in a document. So I'm going to start by opening the microphone, which is something you always have to do. You can set your microphone to automatically go into to load and to go into sleep mode, and then when your computer comes on, you say wake up. And again, I'm going to practice and show you a technique for practicing. And again, I'm going to practice and show you a technique for practicing by saying words of a song. Now, it's going to be tempting not to sing, but the point isn't to sing. The point is to just use text from a song you might know. I'm going to practice by using Leonard Skinner's Give Me 3 Steps. Period. I was cutting the rug down in a place called the Jug with a girl named Linda Lou when in walked a man with a gun in his hand and he was looking for you know who. I said, hey there, fella, with the hair colored yellow. What are you trying to prove? Because that's my woman there, and I'm a man who cares, and this might be all for you. Period. Well, he turned and screamed at Linda Lou, and that's the break I was looking for. Because you could hear him screaming a mile away as I was heading out towards the door. Period. Okay, I didn't get all the words perfectly in order. Period. Go to sleep. But I think you get the idea. You could practice using voice recognition simply by reciting words from songs that you might already know. Well, I look forward to providing more tips, seeing you in the future. You can subscribe to my YouTube account on this page, or you can visit my website. Also, the link is here on the page. Once again, I'm Charles Fleischer, and I am the Dragon Naturally Speaking Voice Recognition Pro. Look forward to helping you again in the future. See you soon. Bye-bye.